Hey, David.
Say hi to the camera.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. As y'all can see, we have the bikes out today. Before this video continues, I just wanted to mention that I recorded this on my GoPro. And this is a newer GoPro that I haven't really had a chance to mess with. So for this video, I'm really testing out the low light on this GoPro. And I know it looks a little shaky, looks a little weird. So there's gonna be parts of this video where it almost looks like your vision is like getting a little blurry or a little like wobbly? But yeah, I just wanted to make a little disclaimer, like, yes, I know it doesn't look the best. So in the future, I might use something like my iPhone or something to record vlogs like this. But regardless, let me know what you guys think about this type of content. I know I say that a lot, but seriously, in this video right here, can you guys please just comment down below and let me know if you guys like exploration videos and action videos like this, just so I know, so I can go ahead and make more for you guys. All right, if you don't like it, it's all good. I won't make any more of these, but if you guys do like this, please let me know. It will really help. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoy the vlog. Let's get it and let's go. We got Raf's SE bike right there. You ready for this?
It's so bright.
Is it? Guys, look at what I'm whipping today. I don't know if they could see it. Let me see. Can y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Shout out to Costco.
I don't know how long it's been. I think it feels like
a year.
It was the time you fell. September, right? Oh yeah, when Ralph got pushed me. Insert the clip now. We're good, dude. That is so bright.
Really?
It really is bright. I mean, it's doable, but it's bright. It's brighter than my future.
But I feel like I'm gonna look like a GTA character in your video.
Why?
Because I'm huge on this small bike. All right, y'all. First bike vlog of 2022 commence. Let's do this. My brakes don't work. My brakes don't work. I'm about to smoke them right now. This is Grove Street.
Hey. Oh, you got a light too?
Hell yeah, I got a light. Yo, I feel like John Hicks right now. All right. Want to go in here? Sure. This is like a real life vlog for you guys. You guys are like really hanging out with us.
All right, we got the whisk.
All right.
Let's go.
They have the little loops on it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, right, perfect.
Sweet.
So you put a rope on it?
A dog leash, rope, spin, and then the steel wool. Magic! Magic
Wow.
before your eyes. Yeah.
Okay, so now we have to get more steel wool. Yo, this is so smooth up here. Oh shit, there's people, there's people, there's people.
Yo!
Oh shit. Oh shit. Where do they usually keep it?
It's by...
Isn't it in cleaning utensils? Should we bring a fire extinguisher for this? Steel wool, steel wool. Oh my god. Bruh. We are for sure getting kicked out. Alright, let's go. Just picked up the steel wool. Now we're good to go. Good thing I have brakes. Oh, this is sick. This is sick. This is sick. You're a sick man. Damn. You won't. No. Don't. Okay, so we're back at my place right now. I'm just gathering some stuff. One thing about steel wool is that it'll burn through your clothes if it lands on you. So what we want to do here is make sure we wear a sweater we don't care too much about. I'm gonna let my dryer run a little bit more. Let me see. Just untangle these. So I got my fresh sheets going tonight. Boom. Should be good by the time I get back and we're out of here. Yay! All right, guys, we're gonna figure the game plan out and then we'll see you guys in a bit.
Further away.
Twice?
Like twice or 3 times.
Really fast?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's that?
Shut up.
Oh, it's Tyler's one, dude.
Oh. think so.
Oh, can we walk through these? Oh, never mind.
Holy shit. Whoa.
And we show this whole ass fucking second portion people to like Blair Witch Project. Have your light?
Yeah.
Bring your pistol.
Hold up. Where's the lighter? Hey, when it opens up, it's hella crazy. Like the ceiling right here is gonna open up like 3 times.
Right here, he takes sick ass pictures because that's the light.
People like smoke weed in here and shit.
Mano? Oh, that was. Is that Manos? Yeah, when it opens up the house.
We're almost there, right?
Yeah, it's right away.
Yeah, right here. I like these lights. Look at this.
Wait, let's walk to the end real quick.
Yeah. What do you think, Raph?
This is so, I'm
Right
looking
here,
back to it,
dude.
my friend.
This is hella sick. Nobody's here right now. That's the end down there, right?
It's your boy.
Hey, night owl.
Give the disrespect to the boy.
Damn.
Oh, that guy was even here.
Thanks for holding that.
Dude, this is so sick.
Yeah.
I love this.
I love this. All right.
Does it just keep going?
We're not going down there. This is it.
This is it, yeah.
Hey, low key, spinning right there would be cool.
This thing's pretty.
Either right there.
Over there.
You want to do the OG spot?
Yeah, because they got graffiti like all the way on top of it.
Cool.
I like this. Detailed.
I feel like we're playing Left 4 Dead right now.
Dude, these guys are skilled.
Imagine getting up there.
Yeah.
Wait, with this is a roller.
Yeah, that's what
Like with the roller thing?
Oh, shit. Yeah, that's right. Looks like it.
It's all straight.
This sucks though, bro. You can tell like it's just been a bunch of like kids in here just going to over shit.
Yeah, they ruined a lot of it.
Turn off our lights?
Turn off the lights? Oh, just so the cameras can see?
Yeah. No, just.
Oh, but there's light right there. We gotta
Bro,
do that like
barely.
It's pitch black.
Hey, right now, if you turn on the lights, there's someone standing there.
Hell no.
I'll fucking grab one of these rocks.
So where are we doing it?
We're doing it in this hallway thing.
You can Nerf bullet.
But at least we could let these run so we could set it up.
Yeah.
Because before we just had our iPhone lights.
This is kind of neat.
Oh yeah. That Pink Panther is sick. That one's still clean. Oh, that's Stay Bacon.
I mean, you can.
So basically, David's just gonna attach a dog leash to a
Perfect.
whisk.
I think this should be
Oh,
good.
and then the lighter.
Yeah.
I think so. This will be a test run.
And then you can move the light from.
Oh yeah,
How long does this last for? That's it.
like 30 seconds.
So are you gonna do it over there?
Yeah. Yeah, this one right here.
Just press it or hold it.
You like press it in hella hard, and then you'll see it. But we have to press it once he starts spinning.
Okay.
All right. So. All right, David. Ready when you are. Now. Dude. Ah.
Look at that.
How'd that one come out?
Oh, that's sick. That's so cool.
Yes, sir.
Sick.
Damn, dude, that came out hella nice. You're gonna spin around on this one?
Alright, turn up lights.
Oh yeah, Johnny.
I'll go there. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got it. Yep. Now. And when it starts burning out at the end, spin it hella hard. Yes, 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 yes. Keep spinning, keep spinning, keep spinning. Dude. Damn. Yo, that was lit. I'm gonna do it slow at the beginning and then I'll kind of speed it up at the end. Can somebody do my camera?
Yeah.
It should be, it's on already. It just,
Where's yours up here?
yeah, just half, yeah. Just press it fully when we
Okay.
start.
I can do it.
Like that? Okay, go. Oh, what the?
Now we're gonna see your light come
Yeah.
this way in the shot.
I can't see shit. How'd that one come out?
It's like a dude. That's crazy.
With the night owl on this one? Yes, yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Lasso.
Oh, this is gonna be so sick. Let's see it, let's see it, let's see it, let's see it. Damn, dude. Okay.
Dude, that's sick as fuck.
Damn.
Oh man.
We could do a long exposure with that.
If you want to, yeah.
Just run around, like just, yeah. Should we just see what happens? Okay. Start off dark first. Like put it close to your body. Yeah, right there. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, bruv. Yes, bruv. Yes, bruv. Yeah. Did you see him get snatched right now? Run closer to us. Run closer to us. All the way. Yes.
Stand there with it on your face.
That's pretty sick.
Yo, that was tight.
That came out fucking
That one was sick.
sick.
Was it?
Alright, boys. Successful.
Success, boy.
Success. I don't know. Alright.
We're not forgetting anything. Everybody got their wallets and stuff.
Let me see a light.
It's dying.
That's okay.
Not okay, bruv. All right, let's get out of here. I felt like it used to be way longer. Yeah.
We were younger.
We were hella young. Oh, that's sick. Dude, I remember spiders hanging off of those last time.
That part when it opened up, that was crazy.
Yeah, because you don't
Sing it
expect
for
that,
the-
right?
Seeing it for the first time. That was good. That was fun.
Are we near the end already? We made it out alive. Thank God. Whew.